Hey guys, this is Paul, Inventor 3. Okay, this video is going to be about wireless power transfer. Yay! Now I started out with this project being the next stage of my free energy from air circuit series, that I've been working on for many years. Now that I'm working on this stage, this is really, really interesting. Let me word it that way. I've been working on this since about Christmas time. I've been working on it every day, every possible day, every possible minute, night and day. It was like a Christmas miracle. And I'm going to tell you a quick interesting story, but for 3 years I wasn't praying to God, and it was like a miracle chain of bad events that happened to me over those 3 years. My company struggling, me struggling financially, my father had 4th stage of cancer. I prayed to God after 3 years. I prayed hard. Next day, I was thinking about my free energy from air and the next stage, and I ran across this old video of Don Smith from 1996. He shows this circuit in there and everything. He explains it. It's a 3-hour long video. I know I've studied and looked at Don Smith's stuff, but it must have been so many years ago. He was probably one of the first people I ever studied as far as over Unity type devices or something. That's probably why I don't remember it, or maybe I fell asleep during this 3-hour long video of 2 hours watching charts and graphs. I don't know, but anyhow, I watched this video and my jaw hit the ground. Every alarm, light bulbs going off in my head, light bulb sirens, it was like the angels. Ah! I mean, I was like, I got it. I got it. I get it. So it was like, wow. I was working on it every day. I dreamt about it every single night for 3 weeks. Every time you would shift in the middle of the night, just shifting a little bit, my subconscious would come to my conscious, and there's my device. One night I had a vision, and it's part of my system now. So anyhow, this is a pretty exciting project. Let me show you. This is my power supply that I'm using right now. It's a simple, cheap, well, not cheap for me, it's $100. It's really nice, best frequency generator I ever had. Now as you see, like I said, it's not a real expensive. It only takes 5 volts DC. It's got one of those plugs with the transformer rectifier on it. Now it can put output 20 volts, as much as 20 volts. I only use 10 volts so far. I don't see why I can't use more, but I'm sticking with 10 right now to see how far we could bring things, and it just keeps going. But anyhow, so I just want you to know this is what I'm using. Okay, it's 5 volts input, 10 volts output, and if there's 5 in, 10 out, I mean Ohm's law, you're exchanging voltage for less current, right? So keep that in mind, what these voltages are. Let's just show you real quick some coils here that I've been through. Approximately, without any exaggeration, I've done like 200 experiments with this already. Like I said, making really fast progress. It's weird. I've never had so much success day after day. A lot of people out there, I see them using like big coils like this, giant coils, and a bunch of coils around it, and capacitor, LED, one LED on there. And I've managed to reduce those coils down to this size, and I don't need capacitors on there, and I've ran as many as 30 LEDs off one coil so far. This circuit has been really interesting. It seems like I'm sucking electrons from the air, and then I'm sucking them from the ground, sucking them from the receiver. It's like, oh, it works anyway. I charged capacitors with this so far. Well, just one big one, 3,500 microfarad, 50 volts. And it's interesting because, yeah. Well, all right. Let me get on and start showing you here.